Hi, this is mathematics class for 12th standard by Sindhanathan. In the last class, we completed the types of functions. In that, a function which is 1 1 and onto means we can say that it is bijective. 1 1 means injective, onto means surjective. If it is 1 1 and onto, then it is bijective. Okay, right. So, some of you ask this doubt. Exercise 1.2, ninth question. The question is the function f from n to n, natural number to natural number, that is domain also natural number, codomain also natural number. The function is f of x is equal to n plus 1 by 2 where n is odd number, n by 2 where n is even number. Okay, right. Now we have to prove that, we have to check that whether it is 1 1 and onto, or if it is both 1 1 and onto, or only 1 1, we have to check. Okay, right. So first I am checking that if it is from this domain, I am taking one element, that is the first number I am taking. Let 1 belongs to n, right? So what we will get, f of 1 odd number. Odd number means we have to choose this function, right? So what we will get, 1 you apply here, f of n. F of n means n plus 1 by 2. So f of 1 means 1 plus 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2. So that is 1. That is also belongs to capital N. Correct. That is, if you are applying 1, you are getting 1. That is in the codomain. Yes. Suppose I am applying 2. So 2 is even number. So which function we have to take the second number? N is even number means we have to choose this one. So 2 divided by 2, that is also 1, which is belongs to n. Yes. So for this 1 also we have an image, 2 also we have an image. Just to consider this diagram, you will get a clear idea. Arrow diagram. For example, this is A set and this is B set. That is, this also natural number, this also natural number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And so on, it goes on. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, it goes on. So for this first element 1, it goes to 1. Okay. The second element 2 also goes to 1. 2 also goes to 1. So what is this? Many one function, right? This is not 1 1 function, because for each and every element it must have only one image in this set, then only it is unique, then only we can say it is 1 1 function. So f of 1 is equal to f of 2, but 1 is not equal to 2, right? Therefore what we can say, f is not 1 1 function. Suppose they are asking that prove that this is not bijective. Directly we can say this is not a bijective, because the function should be 1 1 and onto, then only we can say it is bijective. So here itself we know that this is not 1 1 function, so directly we can write it is not bijective, even though they are asking that whether it is onto function or not. So to check that whether it is onto or not, see that for each and every element, for one, image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is 1, so image of 3 is 3 becomes 2, 4 becomes 2. So for each and every element in this codomain have two pre-images. At least one pre-image means then it is onto. Here each and every element in this codomain have two pre-images. That means it have pre-image in this domain for all elements in this codomain. Yes, understand? So what we can say, every element of codomain has pre-image or pre-images in its domain. Correct? Two pre-images in its domain. For each and every element in this codomain, it has two pre-images. Therefore what we can say, f is onto, and therefore, but we can say that f is not bijective. Why we are telling that not bijective? Because it is not 1 1 not 1 1, therefore we are telling that it is not bijective. That's all.